in your life and don't know which way to go? Why so confused? Why can't you choose the path of yoga? Yoga will calm down your mind and fill you with freshness. It will give you inner peace. Today, I will teach you how to perform Sukh Asana. Sit with the legs tucked inside the opposite thighs. And the spine should be vertically straight. Place your hands on the knees. Breathe in and out gently. Repeat this for 3 to 5 minutes. Sukhasana will reduce your anxiety, stress, and mental tiredness. It corrects the body posture and stretches the chest and spine. You cannot control what goes on outside, but you can control what goes inside. Greetings to everyone. 21st June is celebrated as International Day of Yoga. On the proposal of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the United Nations General Assembly agreed to celebrate 21st June as International Day of Yoga every year. The aim and objective to celebrate yoga globally is to achieve global health and well-being. India believes in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, means world as one family. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Nirmala, means may all be at peace, may no one suffer from illness. Yoga unites mind and body, thought and action, restraints and fulfillment, a harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well-being. Yoga is not all about exercise, but to discover the sense of oneself with yourself, the world and the nature. Let's take a pledge on this day. I promise myself that I will devote time to yoga every day, and I will motivate my family members and neighbors to be physically fit and make India a fit nation. In this section, we learn more about yoga, various asanas, their postures, and benefit from the students of Standard 8 of St. Joseph Convent Secondary School, Pathankot. So let's work towards adopting International Yoga Day. Happy International Yoga Day.
To live through this pandemic and lockdown period, yoga is the best lifestyle to adopt. It is really beneficial for our physical, mental, and social health. If included with breathing exercises and meditation, it helps us to build a strong immunity. So, on this International Yoga Day, let us talk about the benefits of yoga. Just like a 30 minutes walk in a park or a hardcore gym exercise, yoga brings its own benefits in different flavors at the table. So, I'll be performing one asana today, which is called the tree pose, and tell you the benefits of that. The tree pose is also called Vrikshasana. So let us perform the tree pose step by step.
Bring the right foot against your left thigh. Hands in front of you in Namaskar position. And stretch your arms up towards the ceiling. Hold in the stomach. Stay calm. Maintain balance. Slowly bring your hands in front of your chest. right leg down.
Repeat the same on the left side also. This asana has many benefits. It improves your neuromuscular coordination. It improves alertness and concentration, strengthens the legs and opens the hips. I hope you all are benefited from this tree pose or Vrikshasana. Have a happy International Yoga Day.
Yoga adds years to your life and life to your years. Good morning, everyone. The art of practicing yoga helps in controlling an individual's mind, body, and soul. It brings together physical and mental disciplines to achieve a peaceful body and mind. It helps manage stress and anxiety and keeps you relaxing. In short, it improves one's well-being and gives us better mental clarity. Today, I am going to show you the pose of Vajrasana. Here are some benefits of Vajrasana. It is helping in keep the mind calm and stable. It is helping to relieve knee pain and back pain. It is helping in strengthening thigh muscles. It is also helping to reduce obesity. So, at last, I just want to ask every one of you to inculcate yoga in your daily life. At last, I wish you all a very happy International Yoga Day.
Yoga is a light which once lit will never dim. The better your practice, the brighter your flame. Respected teachers and my dear friends, every year on 21st June, the entire world celebrates International Yoga Day. This day highlights the paramount importance to create awareness about the health benefits of yoga. It also educates us about our physical, mental and spiritual growth. It has been practiced in India since the 5th century. The various asanas or the body postures makes us strong and flexible. So let us celebrate this Yoga Day by witnessing the various asanas by the enthusiastic and energetic students of class 8th.
Your body exists in the past, your mind exists in the future, but in yoga, they come together in the present. A healthy and glorious morning to everyone. Today we, the students of St. Joseph Convent Secondary School, Pathankot, are here on the great occasion of International Yoga Day, not only to divulge you about the importance of yoga, but also to make you fit and healthy with some interesting asanas. What is yoga actually? Yoga is spiritual discipline based on an extremely subtle science which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to you or to unite. Yoga improves strength, balance and flexibility. Every year on 21st June, we celebrate International Yoga Day. This year we will be celebrating 7th International Yoga Day. Yoga fosters harmony between mind, body and environment. So, the apt time to do yoga is generally the early hours in the morning. The theme of the International Yoga Day 2021 is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. Now our friends are going to perform some yoga asanas in front of you. We hope that they may help you to increase your immunity so that may all of us face this pandemic with a smile on our face. So let's begin.
The aim of yoga is self-realization to overcome all kinds of sufferings leading to the state of liberation, moksha, or freedom, kaivalya. The 8 limbs of yoga: yama, attitude towards our environment; niyama,
attitude towards ourselves, asana, physical postures, pranayama, restraint or expansion of the breath, pratyahara, withdrawal of the senses, dharana, concentration. Tirumalai Krishnamacharya is generally regarded as the father of yoga. The nature of yoga is to shine the darkest parts of the body. Yoga doesn't transform the way we look at things, but it transforms the person who sees. Yoga works on level of one's body, mind, emotion and energy. Nowadays, millions and millions of people across the globe have been benefited by the practice of yoga, which has been preserved and promoted by the great eminent yoga masters from ancient time to this date. The practice of yoga is blossoming and growing more vibrant every day. I would like to end with a quote from the Bhagavad Gita that yoga is a journey of the self, to the self and through the self.
Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self and to the self. These words enlighten us about the importance of yoga, an ancient practice turned into a global trend in these tough times. Good morning everyone. Today, as we are celebrating the 6th International Yoga Day, I, Ridhima Padiyal, and my classmates Rajat Sinha and Rajita Sinha would like to illustrate the benefits of yoga by presenting a step-by-step video manual.
Asana number 1. Hanumanasana, derived from the Sanskrit word Hanuman, a divine entity in Hinduism. Hanumanasana helps to ensure emotional balance and improves the flexibility of hamstrings, pelvis and hips. Asana number 2. Vrikshasana, originating from the Sanskrit word meaning vriksha or tree and asana meaning posture. Practicing this asana not only helps to strengthen the hips and pelvic region, but it also helps build focus and concentration. Asana number 3. Chakrasana. The name Chakrasana comes from the Sanskrit word chakra, meaning wheel. It is beneficial for those with a sedentary lifestyle as it helps to relieve tension and strengthen the back muscles, including the spinal cord.
Last but not the least, add ease to your life and life to your ears by embracing the power of yoga. Thank you.
Everyone, today we students of class 8 are going to perform on International Yoga Day. Yoga is a type of discipline to shape us physically and mentally. This art of discipline originated in India 6,000 years ago. Yoga is considered a good practice to lead a peaceful life. Yoga ensures proper functioning of our body. Yoga helps to reduce stress in day-to-day life. Now, two of my classmates are going to perform some asanas on yoga. In Sanskrit, the word Bhujangasana comes combination of two words Bhujang, which translates to cobra, and Asan, meaning posture. Even visually, it reflects the posture of a cobra that has its throat raised. And hence, it is also known as cobra pose. Benefits of Bhujangasana are strengthens the spine, therapeutic asthma, helps relieve stress and fatigue. Lotus position or Padmasana is a cross-legged sitting meditation pose from ancient India in which each foot is placed on the opposite thigh. It is an ancient asana in yoga, predating Hatha yoga and is widely used for meditation in Hindu Tantra, Jain and Buddhism. traditions. Benefits of lotus pose are calms the brain, helps the spine straight, helps develop good posture.
Good morning everyone. Today I, Vijender Singh Guleria of class 8 of St. Joseph Convent School, Pathankot, is going to perform Trikonasana. First of all, I would introduce you about Trikonasana. Trikonasana is a standing yoga pose which is used to open our chest and shoulders and is used to deep stretch up of hips and arm strings. This yoga asana encourages the flexibility and balance. So now let's perform Trikonasana. Benefits of Trikonasana are: this exercise helps to strengthen and stretches the legs, knees, arms and chest. Second, it helps our body to relieve indigestion and acidity. Third, practicing Trikonasana regularly helps to improve posture and balance. It is one of the best yoga exercise to increase height naturally and brings flexibility in the spine, which leads to increase in height. Thank you.
True yoga is not about the shape of your body, but it's about the shape of your life. Yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient traditions, which embodies the unity of mind and body, thoughts and actions, restraint and fulfillment, and has a harmony between a man and nature, and has a holistic approach to a healthy and a well-being. Just like you prepare the soil before you sow the seeds, you need to prepare your mind, as children are very receptive at their tender age. Yoga will help them to keep focused and will improve the overall functions of brain. Yoga also transforms the quality of consciousness. Yoga is the best way to cope up with all kinds of pressures. Yoga influences our emotions and behavior and has a positive effect on our mental state and adds creativity too. Let me conclude with what is said in Bhagavad Gita. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Thank you.
You cannot control always what goes on outside, but you can control what goes on inside. Yoga is the medicine for nearly problems. As you practice yoga, it does not help to maintain your physical body, but also helps in maintaining your inner peace and relaxing your mind. Thus, there is nothing that yoga will not help with. Moreover, it is not a one-day practice, but it is a lifelong commitment. To conclude, I would like to say that to have a healthy and harmonious life, it is good to practice yoga. Let me conclude with a quote. Yoga is essentially a practice for your soul through the medium of your body. In the end, I would like to thank all for giving me this opportunity. Have a wonderful day ahead and happy International Yoga.